Oh, hi, this is Bud at Carefree for Life. Does your loved one's snoring keep you awake at night? Does that snoring irritate you and cause you to have a restless night's sleep, or possibly move to a different bedroom or even a couch? If so, I have good news for you. What if a snoring sound could actually become a sound that would cause you to sleep better? I can quickly make that happen. Visit my website, Carefree for Life, and contact me to schedule your appointment today. This therapy is offered in my office and also through Skype. Until next time, this is Bud at Carefree for Life.